My supreme namaskarams to all of you. My name is Nerala Malyadri. I have been practicing as an advocate of Honorable Supreme Court and High Courts of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana after my retirement voluntarily as a district judge in Andhra Pradesh. We have been discussing on several important subjects. Today, once again, I am with you for discussing on the opinions and different opinions. In this regard, before we enter into, see, now we got a siren which says, be careful on this particular subject because your opinions may be different with others. So we have to be very, very careful on this in this regard. One more request is, you would definitely like this YouTube video. Please subscribe and request your friends to subscribe the video so that many people who are having different opinions can definitely understand the respect and the various views, how they have to be taken into consideration. When there are different people, definitely there are different opinions. We all have different opinions. We all like and dislike certain things. Definitely, because we are human beings. Even in respect of taking selfies, a small thing, anger is not required at all. But some people, they get anger if you take selfie. Likewise, on several aspects, there are different opinions. Some like emotions, they love it. Some like WhatsApp data, some like certain other important things for them, but not things important to me. They like, some people like their religion. They claim that I am a Catholic, I am a Muslim. This makes the whole world a lot more interesting. Imagine a world where all like only one thing. Then how will it develop? When we all ate the same things, then there will not be any development in any aspects. For example, in food aspect, food, dress, and other important interests which we like is liked by all, then what will happen? We get boring. It's okay to like different things than your friends or family. So definitely you must have different things than your different beliefs than that of other things. It's also okay to be indifferent too. Don't be afraid to like what you like. Maybe you will find a friend who likes it. Wait, maybe you can teach someone about your favorite things, likings, other things. But practice appreciating, respecting of others, what is the same and what is different to you, you must understand. So, how to deal with other people's opinions, this is very, very important. Other people's opinions, you can respect first. If you don't like other people's opinion also, you may disagree, but you have to be very careful and be neutral towards the other people's opinions. Interestingly, generally people feel what is his opinion is truth, but it is not so. There is a difference between truth and your opinion. That you must keep in your mind. You must not have a boring mind to feel that